What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Hood Vent for your 2024 Mustang GT or EcoBoost.
Inside your box you'll find your RTR Hood Vent and a hardware pack which includes your speed clips and M4 screws and washers. Tools for this install are 9mm socket, T20 Torx bit, and a wrench. With the hood raised, use a 9mm socket to remove the 4 nuts securing the hood vent to the hood. Lower the hood down and lift the vent upward and remove it from the vehicle. Place the RTR Hood Vent face down on a padded work surface. Slide the 4 supplied speed clips onto the RTR Hood Vent. Spray a generous amount of soapy water onto the hood opening. This will be used not only to clean it, but also to use it as a lubricant for the installation. Slide the RTR Hood Vent rear edge first into the hood opening and lower the front down into the proper position. Verify that the vent tabs are fully seated onto the hood and that the speed clips are aligned with the holes in the hood. Using a T20 Torx driver, secure the vent to the hood using the supplied M4 screws and washers. Tighten the screws by hand to avoid any over tightening. Inspect the installed position of the RTR Hood Vent and adjust if needed. The install is now complete and you're ready to rock.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you like this product, you're sure to love all the other offerings that we have available on rtrvehicles.com. Make sure to go ahead and click that link down in the description below or scan the QR code that came with your product. That'll lead you to rtrvehicles.com where you can check out all the other stuff that we have available for S650, S550, S197, as well as Bronco, Bronco Sport, Ranger, F-150, Maverick, and Mach-E. And we're not only there to hook you up with stuff for your vehicle, we're there to hook you up for stuff for yourself. Go ahead and check out some of our merch available there on the website, and you know what? Might as well make your car look good while you're at it by picking up some of the RTR detail product. Thank you again for checking out this video, and as always, I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, getting you geared up and ready to rock. Whoa!